Welcome to Beerstories from Beerstory Brewhouse. This is my YouTube channel about homebrewing, but also about interviews with cool people in the brewing world, grain to glass videos and how-to videos and much more. I've been brewing since 2014 and since then I've really learned a lot about beer and homebrewing in general. And that's one of the things I love about this hobby is there's always more to learn, and I've got kind of a nerd gene, so I really like to dig into the theory and all the things behind and just nerd out on it. And that's also the reason why I made this channel, to give some of my knowledge back to new brewers and also experienced brewers. I do how-to videos, tips and tricks, interviews with cool people in the brewing business and so on. I also have a podcast series. That's what this channel is all about. I get a lot of inspiration from YouTube channels like David Heath's Genius Brewing, Clawhammer Supply, Brewlosophy, The Apartment Brewer, Dr. Hans Brewery. I also listen to a lot of podcasts, Craft and Beer Magazine, Brewlosophy, The Brew Lab is a great one. Genius Brewing as well, and several others. I spend a lot of time researching on the net, podcasts, YouTube, so on. But also I read quite a lot of books. One I can really recommend is John Palmer's How to Brew. That's kind of my Bible in brewing. Or Scott Janis's The New IPA is also a great book with science-based and just a lot of so many great tips in there. I can really recommend that. I have a huge passion for brewing, both the technical stuff and of course the beer that comes out of it. I just love beer. I love pairing beer with food. I love brewing beer. I love tasting beer. I love making recipes. Just about everything in this hobby I think is just great. So that's why I made the channel, to give something back to the community. If you have any questions, you can always write to me. If you are missing some videos, there are several hundred videos on my channel already. If you're missing some, write to me. You can write to me in the comments through my social media or website, beerstories.dk. So I want to say thanks to all the followers that I have on my channel already, all the subscribers. You should subscribe as well to get the newest videos in the YouTube feed, and you won't miss a thing from Beerstories. And I guess that was it. Have a brewing out there.